So what's new for this week?
So we did a lot of small things this week. Like we mentioned last time we did the update that we're running near the end of the really big, huge weeks that we can do because now we have opened. Actually, we have guests staying in the Pioneer Shack behind me. We have a party of 45 celebrating a birthday down at the Welcome Shack. So we've kind of started to amalgamate all the offerings and try and spend more time cleaning up and getting things dialed in. You can see behind me the jukes are all ready. They all have power. They all have a couple of lamps. They have this really cool LED lights around the perimeter. We put a fan in each one for comfort. Picnic tables, beautiful fireplace set, communal barbecues at the communal deck over there. So of the 5, 4 are completely ready. The 5th one, we just have some tidying up and some cleaning up to do. We also got our Trapper Shack conversion done. And when I say conversion, it was hit by like 4 trees. A ton of it was damaged. And what we've decided to do is we've actually gone and went eco-scavenging on the property and have started to grab bits and pieces so the siding doesn't really match and the soffit doesn't match the fascia. But we thought it would be kind of emblematic, the same way we've left up some of the damaged trees to kind of remind ourselves of what happened here, the storm and the after effects. So what was once a Trapper Shack is now gonna be kind of like a little Franken Shack with a lot of memories and just trying to be as ecologically sound as possible and recycling and cleaning and using things that maybe we wouldn't do under perfect construction circumstances. And I think it becomes part of our story going forward. Yurt site, the team there have done a phenomenal job of expanding the sites. They now have, you can sleep like 6 inside comfortably. They have beautiful pads on the outside if you want to pitch a tent. They have an even nicer fire pit that's kind of interlocked and really cool. So yeah, we're trying to make everything cleaned up and accessible again as an eco park. Soccer field's almost done. The brand new play structure is up, ready for kids to come and go crazy on. Welcome Shack, like I said, we're having a party tonight, so that's all cleaned up and ready to go. And aside from that, it's just been kind of day-to-day maintenance, cutting down a few more trees. Next week, Thursday, Friday, excuse me, we have a company coming in with what they call a feller buncher, and they're gonna actually kind of cut down all the dangerous trees behind us, which will save us a lot of work and make it really safe and fast. So we're really, really excited for that because we're all tired of using chainsaws. And 7, almost 8 weeks of chainsawing has come hopefully to an end for us. It doesn't look great, but we were able to burn through all the different brush and in particular the stumps. Tree stumps are a really significant problem. The province doesn't allow them to be buried. So they have to be dealt with. And because they were living not long ago, they're full of moisture, they're full of dirt. So yeah, unfortunately, fairly hot fires to burn through them. So we built these like 30-foot huge pits, manned them with berms of sand, and we've been kind of just burning away for the last 2 weeks with burn permits, I will say, for the Clarence Rockland people watching. But yeah, we're trying to get through it all. The front end, as discouraging as it is for me, I know it looks amazing compared to what it looked like not 7 weeks ago. So we're feeling like momentum has finally arrived on our side.